Welcome back to Top 3 Tech. If you are a creative soul looking to transform your ideas into stunning visuals, you are in for a treat. Today, we are exploring the top 3 AI-powered free image generator websites that can help you create amazing artwork with just a few clicks. Whether you want to turn your photos into masterpieces, blend different art styles, or generate images from different text prompts, these tools have got you covered. Let's dive in and discover the best free AI image generator to unleash your creativity. So first, we have Deep Dream Generator. Deep Dream Generator is an AI-powered tool that allows you to create surreal, dreamlike images by applying complex algorithms to your photos. It uses Google's Deep Dream technology to transform ordinary photos into unique, artistic images with intricate patterns and details. Key features: Dream Mode creates surreal images with complex patterns and abstract effects. Deep Style apply artistic styles from famous painting to your photos. Text to Dream generate images based on textual descriptions. Community explore and interact with a community of creators. Free access. Basic features are free, with additional features available in the premium version. Second, we have Art Breeder. Art Breeder is a collaborative AI-powered platform where you can create and explore images by blending different art styles and elements. It allows users to create unique, high-resolution images by combining multiple images and adjusting their features using AI. Key features: Image blending combine different images to create unique art. Customization adds specific features like facial expression, colors, and styles. Community collaboration work with other users on collaborative projects. Free access most features are free to use with premium options available. And lastly, we have Night Cafe Creators. Night Cafe Creator is an AI art generator that allows you to create stunning images using neural style transfer and text-to-image models. It is known for its ease of use and ability to generate images based on textual prompts or by applying artistic styles to photos. Key features: Neural style transfer apply artistic styles to your photos. Text to image generate images from text descriptions. Gallery explore and get inspired by other users' creation. Free credits generate images with free daily credits, with more available for purchase. So that wraps up our review on the top 3 AI-powered free image generator websites. Which tool are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creatives. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest apps and site recommendations. Thanks for watching Top 3 Tech and happy creating. Until next time, keep exploring and unleash your creativity with the best digital tools out there.